Hi all. So, man-box ko sa ako yearbook. Ay, wait. I'm gonna show you my picture. One-sided na ako nalunggan, which I don't like, but whatever. Look. She's graduating in 2 days. Yeah, 2 days. My room is a mess, so whatever. Wait. I cannot open it using my nails, so I'm gonna use something. Ah, so nice. There she goes. There she goes again. Oh my gosh, so heavy. Bugat. Pero ako daw bakod kay bakod, may kristal. Wow. Oh, can you hear that? Wow. Ay, makakasga ka siya. Wow. So nice. Makakasga. But anyway, sinod ka na. So bugat. I'm just gonna get. Ay, makakasga. Wow. Oh, ito naman pala. Oh. Anyways, kaintas ako. Wow! 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 Wait. Oh, so pretty! Gawa siya kabilog. First. Second. Ay, di ko mukha. Char lang. Wow! Kasi agad ka very well planned sa design. Wow! I like the colors. Okay, so I'm gonna put this down. Kanami, I like it. Very well thought. The idea is very ideaing. Whatever. Wait lang. I'm gonna look for my college. Ay, kanami. Wait, wala ko yung tsura kaya wala magiging ko inintal sa college life ko. Wala ko ito din intran sa college ko ba? Wala ko ito piti ko. Char lang. Drama. Drama ka, girl. Kabaw siya, in fairness. Sino niyo familiar? Familiar, di ko kilala. Wait lang. I-enjoy pa ko lang tao. Anyway, so move ako kay Gilawig na. Si Dali din ko. Oh, so nice. Okay, move on. Kakyat. Yeah. Maskip na ko sa nursing na ko dayon niya kay wala. Bias ka daan. Section ano na? Section ano naman? Ay, alphabetical. Para niyo. Sala. Ay, ano ni gali? Alphabetical siya gali. Hindi siya by section. Wow, bebe. Ano di tsura ko, be? Ano di tsura ko? I'm wondering. Oh my gosh. Pwede maguba pa yung bala. Wait lang. Pila na ko. 4 minutes na to. Kadamos ang chika ko. Ano yung pangalan ko? Ano yun? C na C. Lapit na lang. C. Galusong na ko. Wait lang. Lumag-isip. Aww, so nice. I like my picture. Can you see that, girl? Yeah, that's me. That's me. Aww, ay ganami. May lang ako maniging pili ko. Baka do ka nice. Ay ka nice. I like it. Ay ganami. Happier. Cute me. I like it. So much. If you don't like it, I don't care. I look so cute. So I will look for my friends. English ko di man para kaintinta. Sorry. My video, my rules. Ito na, isang picture ko mga bio. I like. Wow ha. Nakakit sa mga picture nila. Oh, buwan ako guro na kami ara pa yearbook nga isa. Ah, Franny. She's got awards. Ay, kay si Kyle, pangitaan ko kay Damo. Siya ganap. I will show you guys. I-post ko yung sa YouTube ko ay. Pero i-post mo ng YouTube ko, no? Ay, Evia. Oh, i-post ko ito sa YouTube ko. After years of hiatus, I will be back real soon. Mariana, Kurt. Sakit sa lips ko. So very poised po da. Ah, si Kyle, tara mo kay phone case guy gid saya. As in mo ni sa phone case like isa ka plastic goro gidalay sang day sang photoshoot. Tapos nabili niya ang plastic. So nabili niya ang plastic. Ay kado ko naman. Basta nabili ang plastic. Hi Kyle, if you're watching, but you're obviously not watching this video. But hi anyways. So I'm done. I like it, but not really. Just kidding. Kidding y'all. I like it. But not so much, I guess. Char lang. Sakot sa lips ko. Hamubuan ako sa nursing. Akadamo sa ganap nila. Ano man, ay nakita ko na si Elsie. And, my era. Tsura ko, doon ka zoom in man niya. Wait lang, basahan ko ka nung ginpaintaan ko. Although, doon ka dito tayo man sa ginpaintaan ko. Ay, doon ka na isa mga Although, isa lang dalunggan ko. Sabad niya. Pero anyways, whatever. Assistant Public Relations Officer, user blah blah blah, member of blah blah blah, volunteer for the Ministry blah blah blah, member of Earth Guards blah blah blah, first runner-up Pasarian Jailbreak Kalo, second runner-up Animal Olympics Cheer Dance Dean's Lister 2021 blah blah blah. Ellie is a radiant. Elsie is a... Wait, basahan ko na yung ka-friend ko kahit kapalay kami. Elsie is a strong, resilient, and compassionate individual who has overcome significant hardships in life. Blah, blah, blah. So, mamubuan ako sa ako because this is my space. Kapala ka, saan yun ako? Doon ka dulom, doon abdurman. So, basahan ko na. Ready to hear what I wrote for myself. Char lang, collective thoughts ni sa mga friends ko and people I know. My family, my guardian angels, So first, Ellie is a radiant soul, bringing light, joy, and positivity wherever she goes. Her charm is irresistible, matched only by the way she passionately stands her ground. A perfect blend of brilliance, kindness, and uniqueness. Ellie is a true blessing, always being the light and salt wherever she is planted. Ano na to? Doon ka feeling mo, heartfelt. Pero thank you friends for your thoughts, your message for me. With all of your messages, I came up with this output. Wala kayo ginano ko lang daw summarize, whatever, blah blah blah. Pero doon ka may, doon ang biceps ko, wala gali. fats, and the lights weird. Listen, my message to myself, to you from now. Don't worry about tomorrow because tomorrow will worry about itself. Trust in God's plan and take one step at a time. So take one step at a time. Joke lang, makapiright ta. Subukan na lang ko mabalik sa YouTube daw sa pa-copyright ko. Hell no. Hello, thank you Lord. Anyways, look at my face with my one-sided ear. I like it, but I don't like it. I like it. I like it maybe. In a slightest charm. I like it, I guess. So if you want to have the best yearbook, yeah, you should book Midtown Printing Co. Inc. Midtown Co. Inc. Whatever, blah blah blah. If you want lang naman, wala man ko pamilit. Pero nami sila kaya din sa una, amon niya gina sa yearbook. Pero kanami sa idea, kanami kasagad kaya very brilliant. I like it. Yeah, I like it, I guess. Sure lang mga ano ko na isang ako niya thumb mark, ano tawag gani? Thumbnail. Sa YouTube na wala. I don't know what it's called, whatever. Maybe thumbnail, thumb mark, watermark. Ano, wag. Whatever, talaka man sa kanan. Wait lang. Sakit sa akong legs. Makita nyo sa reflection ng kadamuhon sa kwarto ko, whatever. Walang na. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye, guys. I mean, my 6 viewers. Charla. 6 viewers. 1 is my account. The other 2 is also my account. And the 3 are the people that stalk me, I guess. Stalks me. The grammar is very not grammable, ha? Bye-bye. Thank you. I will upload this, promise.